If you're leading a team or responsible for a large workforce, you're probably living the headlines we read about every day, like the rapidly retiring baby boomer generation, the challenge of attracting younger employees, and the constant struggle with employee engagement. While retention remains a major challenge, the solution your employees would recommend might surprise you. In our third annual Voice of Essential Worker report, we found that over half of frontline workers now use AI in their day to day work. Yet many organizations haven't aligned their workforce strategy with this reality. Employees aren't resisting technology, they're embracing it. And they want you to invest in their growth alongside it. We surveyed over 1,000 frontline workers across manufacturing, distribution, retail, and building supply. And what we discovered reveals a fundamental shift in employee expectations. Workers aren't afraid of the future of work. They're frustrated that their employers aren't preparing them for it. Let me break down what we're calling the expectation evolution. First, workers are embracing AI, but unevenly. 56% of workers now use AI applications in their day to day work. Think about that. In an era when everyone talks about AI disruption, more than half of your workforce has already integrated it into their daily routines. This isn't about fear of technology. This is about access and strategy. Your workers see technology changing their industry, and they want to evolve with it instead of being left behind. Second, the automation fear narrative is wrong. Only 11% of workers are actually concerned about losing their jobs to AI. Meanwhile, 32% expect AI will make their jobs easier in the future, and 24% say it already has. Your workforce isn't resistant to technological change. They want to embrace it. They want to be the people managing AI tools, not the people being managed out because of them. This represents a massive opportunity if you're willing to invest in their development. Finally, workers identify productivity as AI's biggest opportunity. When we asked about the benefits of AI in the workplace, 37% identified an opportunity to increase productivity. Those who saw opportunities to improve supply chain management in general, only 22%. And strategic transformation programs, even lower. Here's what this really means. Your workers care about doing their current jobs better, not hearing about grand visions for digital transformation. They want tools and training that help them be more effective today, which then builds confidence for bigger changes tomorrow. So, what does this mean for your workforce strategy? Stop viewing upskilling as a cost center. Start viewing it as your primary retention and engagement tool, not to mention your fastest path to greater workforce efficiency. Of those who use AI daily, 79% say their company plans to increase AI use in the next few years. These workers see their employers investing in their future, and they want to grow with that investment. Look, this isn't about expensive degree programs or months long training initiatives. 31% of those who use AI in their day to day work are doing so without any formal training. Your workers are telling you that they want practical skills that make them more valuable in their current roles while preparing them for whatever comes next. Focus on building what we call connected workers, employees who feel empowered by technology rather than threatened by it. Give these connected workers tools that enhance their capabilities and training that builds their confidence. Most importantly, recognize that your retention challenge is actually a technology access challenge. Of those who don't use AI daily, 83% say their company hasn't shared plans about future AI investments. Workers aren't leaving bad jobs. They're leaving jobs that feel static in a rapidly changing world. At Epicor, we've learned that workforce development and technology adoption work best when they happen together. When employees can see how new skills connect to new tools and better outcomes, they advocate for change instead of resisting it. The question isn't whether your workers are ready for the future of work, because they're more ready than you think. The question is whether your organization will give them the growth opportunities they're looking for. Learn how to future proof your workforce strategy. Download the full Voice of Essential Worker 2025 by clicking the link below to see how leading organizations are turning employee expectations into competitive advantages.